Good morning, folks. Mr. Garry here again. You didn't expect to see me so soon, did you? A couple of days ago, I said I had done a thing. Well, just shortly after that, I did another thing. And if you look over my shoulder, you can probably tell what I did. I made a screen door. My son and I, we got really busy yesterday, and we made this screen door for our chickens. It was a beautiful, beautiful day, nice and sunny, and we wanted the chickens to be able to see outside, and for we to be able to see them from the old church. Well, now we can. We still have the inside door, and we have the screen door, so during the day now, we can open up the inside door and leave that one ajar, and just close the screen door. We can see the chickens. The chickens can look out, and they can also get lots of fresh air circulating inside the Taj Mahal chicken coop. I'm going to spend most of this video showing you that door and having a good chat with you about it. We still have our morning chores. We still have to bring water. We still have to check on the food, and we still have to collect some eggs. So stay with me. Stay with Mr. Garry here at GBL, the old church, 5-acre homestead. We'll come back to the screen door shortly, but first things first. Our girls are thirsty this morning. I'm just going to leave that egg carton up there on the nesting box, and I'm going to take our water container back to the run. And there's our water container, and here's our run back here. I know you're thirsty, and I can hear you. Here they come. They know I'm here. Now, would you like some water this morning? I'm sure you would. Now, don't come out. I don't want to have to go searching around the neighborhood for you. Here's a water container. Don't tip it over. Don't tip over the water container. Yeah, I'm going to hook that door. I put a hook on here. My son and I put a hook on the door yesterday as well. Now, give me a second so I can move the water over here. We desperately need to get a new water container. It is still frosty and cold at times. Let's throw that little bit out there. This water container is in bad shape, as you can see. We still have the one with the nipples on it, but they freeze up. So we're going to have to invest in getting a rubber container for their water. So there's your water. Now, I'll check on the food situation. I filled this up yesterday. Oh my goodness, it's nearly 3 parts full. Let's take off the cover just to... no, I can't get it off, it's so nipped on there. But there's lots of food for them for today for sure. All the food that I had thrown it on the ground for them to peck at, they've gotten that all eat. Look at that. Now, water is done, food is checked. It's time to go inside the coop and collect some eggs. But before we do that, I'll have a chat with you about that screen door we made yesterday. Now I can unhook this and close this door. Put on that carabiner. Put on that carabiner, Mr. Garry. There you go. Now, let's go and have a chat about that screen door that we made. It's a beautiful screen door, I think. It was very easy to make. We had all the materials here. I didn't have to go buy anything. I had a couple of packs of hinges left over from a project, so they went on. I made the door frame from some leftover 1x3 lumber. We call it strapping here, and so I did that, and it's all screwed together. And in between the 2 layers of lumber is the screen, also left over from where we put the screen around the run. And I made these little makeshift knobs for the screen door. I need a handle, so I'll get a handle for sure. Now, I know they're out enjoying the water. I'll ring the bell. I'll go get my egg carton. Here we go. And let's go inside. And we're going to leave that door open today. Good morning, girls. 4 eggs right there looking at me here in that nesting box. And there's one of our Easter eggers, I do believe. Now, let's go collecting. These are from our leghorns. There's 2. And 2 more. We got 13 yesterday. Yesterday morning, I think we had 10. And then shortly after, we ended up getting a few more. Okay, no more down there. Okay, let's see what's on the go over here. It's still early, so the girls sometimes lay in the afternoon. Okay, so there's a blue. What else is in there? Okay, there's a dark brown from the Norians. Okay, let me see what else is in there, Mr. Garry. Looks like an olive. Okay, so we've got 7 so far this morning. That's pretty good, because like I said, it's quite early, because I wanted to show off and share that door with you. I'm going to leave the door, I'm going to leave the inside door ajar, and I'm going to leave the screen door, so they can look out, and we can look at them as well. Okay, so we'll come back several times throughout the day and collect some more eggs. Now girls, you go up and enjoy your morning water and your food. And a few of you got to lay some more eggs. We've got 7. We need at least 5 more, because our record is a dozen every single day plus. So that's pretty good. You're getting ready to lay there, aren't you, sweetheart? Okay, let me get out of your way. So the door is ajar. I'm going to leave that one ajar, and hopefully it'll stay open. They won't close it with their beaks or anything. Okay, put the toggle across, Mr. Garry. There you go. So that'll keep the door closed. And we put the toggle down there on the bottom. So we got 2 nice toggles, homemade toggles made from scrap lumber. And there's the screen door. What do you think? If you have a screen door on your chicken coop, letting in some fresh air, do share some pictures and let us know in the comments what you have set up for your chicken coop. It's going to get warm here in the summer. That's a given. The temps here get up to around 30, 35 sometimes in the summertime. So we do need to have a nice screen door to let some fresh air in that coop. So there you have it, folks. Thanks again for stopping by our YouTube channel. We appreciate you checking in and having a chat with us today here at GBL, the Old Church 5-acre homestead. You have a blessed day, and we'll see you in another video very, very soon. I'm back on the patio area now in front of the old church, and I'm cleaning off some of the snow that fell overnight and is continuing to fall today. But if I zoom out at the chicken coop, I can see, or zoom in, sorry, I can see a couple of our chickens there in the doorway. A couple of leghorns. You should be able to see them yourself. Now, that's great, so that we can watch them from inside the warmth of the old church. And they can also see us. Hello, girls. I'm sure you can see me, and I'm sure you can hear me as well.